Today I'm going to upgrade the memory in my wife's MacBook Pro. First thing you need to do is find out what kind of memory it takes. You can do that by clicking on the Apple up here, and then About This Mac, and then More Info, and then click on Memory, and then it'll show you what's installed. There's two memory slots, Bank 0 and Bank 1. You can see that the DIMMs that are installed are each 2 gigabytes, DDR3, 1067 megahertz. I like Kingston memory, so I went out and purchased some. Got a really good deal for it on buy.com for 120 bucks shipped. Now, let's get started. First thing you want to do, shut down the computer. Now the tools you'll need, basically you'll need a 5/64 jeweler's Phillips screwdriver. You can get these at the dollar store or Harbor Freight. They're not expensive. You can get a whole kit for like $1. And then maybe just a small flathead screwdriver, because there are 10 screws you have to take out. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You have to make sure you put them back in the same order, so I've just kind of arranged them around the computer in the order that they have to go back in. And you take off the top here, or the bottom rather, and you see the memory is right here. And just be very carefully undo these tabs here. There's the first memory. And then this is where you might need a little Phillips screwdriver just to kind of undo each one of these little tabs so you can get the second memory out. Carefully. This one's a little harder. There it goes. Come on. There we go. And we get that out. And we get our new memory. I got 8 gigabytes here. 2 4-gig DIMMs. And be careful, there's a slot here, so they're keyed, so you can't put them in the wrong way. So you just put that in there. There's one. And there's the second one. That's it. Now we just put the cover back on. Put the screws back in the proper order. Make sure you don't, be careful, you don't want to force any of these, because you just want to make sure the threads just get in there. If it gives you any resistance at all, you're putting the screw in wrong. Pesky little screw. There we go. You don't want to over tighten the screws, and I don't tighten them all down until I have them all in. Just to allow all the pieces to fall into place. And you don't want to lose any of these screws because you'll never find it. That's why you want to do this on a clean surface so pieces don't get away from you. Last screw. I'll go around and tighten them all a little. Once again, it's a 5/64 jeweler's screwdriver that I'm using for this. These screws are really tiny. Alright, let's power it up. Takes a minute for it to boot. And then once again we'll go to About This Mac, More Info, Memory, and now you can see I have 4 gig in Bank 0 and 4 gig in Bank 1, and it's that simple.